How to enable Discord age verification in 2026. Full step-by-step guide. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips and updates. If Discord is asking you to verify your age, especially when accessing mature channels or sensitive message settings, or access features that require an age-verified account, here's the official and safe way to complete it in 2026. First, when does age verification appear? You'll usually see the age verification prompt when you try to open mature channels, change sensitive message settings, or access features that require an age-verified account. Now follow these steps. First, open Discord and log in to your account. If your age isn't verified, a message will appear asking you to confirm your age. Second, tap the age verification prompt. A screen will open explaining that Discord needs to verify your age. Third, choose a verification method. You'll see two options: take a selfie using your camera, or scan a government-issued ID and then take a selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Fourth, submit your verification. Once submitted, Discord will review your information automatically. Fifth, wait for confirmation. You'll receive a message from Discord confirming that your age verification is complete. Important things to know. Age verification is usually one time only. If verification fails, you can try again using the ID option. Your verification images are used only for age confirmation and are not stored permanently. Pro tip: take photos in good lighting and make sure your face and ID details are clearly visible for faster approval. That's it. Now you know how to enable and complete Discord age verification in 2026 safely. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment verified below.